So this is going to be your reading for the month of July. So, also, before I jump into your reading, you know I have to say thank you guys for all the likes, the shares, the comments, subscriptions, the personal readings. I love each and every one of you guys. All right. And soulmate. Yes, this is your soulmate. Okay. So, bottom of the deck, I have give your relationship a chance. Work on your partnership. Okay, Gemini, so it looks like someone is over here trying to make a decision about you. And I feel like between the connection that you have with this person and vice versa, like there was somebody that was blocking this connection. Whether it's friends, family members, another love interest. It even could have been like career. Somebody could have been working a lot. But whatever's going on, this person definitely needs to stand up more for themselves. They need to come towards you, speak their truth, because yes, this is your soulmate. And this person is hoping, did I tell y'all these cards were slick? This person is hoping that you're going to give them another chance. So, let's see. Okay, Spirit, what's going on with my Geminis? Okay, bottom of the deck, I have the Four of Pentacles. So, this is letting me know that somebody definitely wants things to improve between the both of you. There's a tower moment. Somebody went through some type of tower moment. They've been going through a tower moment. But this could be like a revelation as well. Let's see. Love. Ten of Wands jumped on top of love yourself first. So that lets me know, just like I was telling you guys, this person has to stand up for themselves, but they've been having a hard time because somebody has been in their ear, you know. And I also feel like when I told you like it's a revelation, they're realizing that they messed up bad with you and they're regretting their actions. And see, this person, they're over here listening to their intuition because they're wanting to make a move. Tell me more. Yeah, look, it's like they're coming back towards you because they have confidence, you know, and they're going to come back confidently and they're going to speak their truth to you. Somebody could be dealing with the Pisces, but they're back and forth with the Four of Cups. So this lets me know that, yes, this person definitely wants to extend an offer to you, but they're afraid that you're not going to take it. See, Wheel of Fortune, I told you. This person's coming towards you, Gemini. I feel like there has been some type of cycle that is complete. They learned their lesson, and that's why they're ready to move forward. Okay, y'all, these cards are so slick. Hold on. So the Ace of Cups dropped, but it landed like this. So I'm telling you, this person is like 1 minute. It's like they're ready. They're ready to give you the offer that you deserve, but they're afraid you're not going to take it. You know, so they're letting me know that this person here, they're not confused at all. They know exactly who they want to be with, but they're still moving a little slow. Tell me more. They're thinking. This person is going back thinking about everything that they put you through. Somebody could have been dealing with the Virgo. Somebody could have been dealing with the Sagittarius. But it's like, they want to balance things out with you, but they're afraid because of the past, the lessons that they had to go through. They're like, man, he or she is not going to take me back. Which is why the seeds that they planted with you, they're afraid that it may not grow. See? They want to have a future with you, but there was either family standing in the way or somebody from the past. So they made a decision. Clarify? See, this person stabbed you in the back. That's why they're hesitating to come towards you. They hurt you one too many times. See, they're dragging their feet. This person's still taking their time. And it's like they're coming out of being frustrated. And see, this person, I'm seeing justice here, and then the Five of Cups came out reversed. So somebody could have been going through some type of like situation to where they knew that if they, whatever this situation is up here, where there was some type of blockage, this person could have took a financial loss. And that goes back to, you know, maybe helping or taking care of friends, family members, another love interest. And this is why they were having a hard time leaving, but justice is being served. You know, for some of you, yes, it could be a legal situation where somebody was going through a court situation and they know, like, okay, I'm going to lose out on money because I may have to pay up or give out, whatever the case is. Or they're needing to, basically it's just saying, like, they've just been going through their karma, their lessons, and they're coming back towards you, and they have a lot of regret. But they're basically kind of getting out of that energy because they want to come back and make things right. But see, not only does that confirm that they're going to be walking away from whatever situation that they're in, they're afraid that by the time they come back towards you, you're going to walk away from them because they know you're tired of dealing with them. And see, this is why they're moving slow. So I'm telling you guys, this person that I'm picking up on, they're going to come back, But with the Knight of Pentacles, that's my slowest moving knight. It's going to take some more time. So don't expect for things to change tomorrow. Like, it's going to take a little bit more time. So that's why I always tell you guys, keep living your life. Because see, with the Death card, I told you, this person's going through some type of transformation. And they're moving slow because they're trying to make sure they're putting an end to another situation before they can really move forward with you. Somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio. See, I told you. It's like they're trying to put an end to a situation because they want to come back in order for things to improve between the two of you. They definitely want to heal things with you. This person definitely doesn't want you to cut them off. Clarify? But see, they haven't cut off this third party situation just yet. You know, I do feel like they're going to reach out to you, you know, to ask you out, or they're going to want to meet up. See, look, I told you they're making plans. This person's making plans to come towards you. But see, right now, remember I told you they can't cut off this third-party situation? There is some type of home or a family situation going on. And they're not happy. And they're trying to get that together first. This is why it's going to take some time. But see, with the High Priestess here, Gemini, they are listening to their intuition. They're listening. But right now, they're not talking to you. So you guys are barely speaking. See? They know that they were being immature and childish. They're back and forth with the Five of Wands. Yeah, it's like, I feel like between the two of you, they started a lot of like conflict, a lot of unnecessary drama. They could be going through this, you know, with someone else or other people on their end. But this also lets me know, like, they're in their head. It's like they're battling themselves because they know what they need to do. But see, Queen of Swords. This person feels like when they come towards you, you're going to go off on them. Like, they know you're tired. They know you're tired of the nonsense. You're tired of the games. Like, your guard is up. So they're afraid of what you're going to say. See? Four Swords try to come out. I told you, this person's frustrated. They don't know how you're going to respond. And look at that. There's another woman here. It could be two men. Y'all know how I feel about my court cards. But there are two people here. And so this is the problem. You know, this person feels like your guard is up because there could have been another, you know, person involved. And you know, they were juggling. Whether this is like family, love, interest, friends, whoever it is, this was the problem. This is why there was a lot of conflict here. You know, for some of you guys, they feel like by the time they come back, your guard is going to be up because maybe you moved on with someone else. You know, so they're like, I don't know if he or she's going to give me another chance. See, but they're coming out of feeling frustrated, you know, because they're wanting to speak their truth. But see, I have two decision cards. So they finally made a decision here. But see, there's the Devil. Somebody could have been dealing with the Capricorn. Why is the Devil here? This could be fear. Yeah, they're scared. This person is afraid to come towards you because remember I told y'all, Queen of Swords, they're afraid of what you're going to say to them. They're afraid y'all going to go off on them. Somebody could be dealing with a Leo. But see, yeah, this person was being sneaky in the past, but I'm seeing that now they're making a change. They want to prove themselves to you, but see, they're frustrated because they feel like they lost you. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius, but this person's holding on to hope because they want to make things right with you, but they're not happy maybe with their finances. They're not happy with how things played out between the two of you in the past, okay? See, the world tried to jump out. I'm telling you, they want a new opportunity with you. But see, yeah, this person wants to heal your broken heart. They want to make it right. Clarify the Three of Swords. See, I have two threes. I told you there was a third party. I told y'all in the beginning somebody was blocking your connection. And this is why they feel like you don't want to build with them anymore. So, see, they're coming back to give you a stable, secure offer. You could be dealing with an Aries, but the thing is, this person's going to give you a small offer because you don't trust them. You don't trust them at all, you know, and they're like, okay, I can't just go back to Gemini or, you know, cross-watch. If you're dealing with a Gemini, this is what they're saying about you. But they're like, I can't go back to this person and give them the offer that I really want. Like, I have to move slow. You know, I have to get them to, you know, gain my trust back or, you know, believe in me that I'm not going to play around with them anymore. Like, I'm done with this. But somebody feels like you don't want to put any more time or energy into them, see? But they're coming towards you guys. Gemini, they're coming. They're making plans. But see, they're back and forth with the Empress. See, the way that it came out, it's like they want to have a new beginning with you. But unfortunately, they're afraid that you don't want to have this new start with them. Because, see, they were playing games. This person was being a player. They were being inconsistent. They were running in and out of your life. And they know you're tired of it. That's why your guard is up. That's why they're afraid of what you're going to say. See, back and forth with the Ten of Cups. Somebody could have been in some type of family situation. Gemini, you can have a family with this person, but regardless, it's like they do want to come towards you. They want to be one. But the problem is they're really afraid that you don't want this anymore. See? But they're over here manifesting love. You see that? This person is manifesting. They want to be with you bad. They know that you're their soulmate. See, this person wants to have a relationship with you. They want to be with you. And they're hoping that, look, that, oh my gosh, you better finish my sentence of spirit. They're hoping that you guys can forgive them because, yes, they did leave you out in the cold. They did leave you hanging, but they want to make it right. Okay? See? That's why they're getting advice from someone. They're going to come and take a leap, but they're still back and forth with communicating. It's like, that's why I told you guys are going to get a small offer. So if you haven't been hearing from this person, oh, you will. All these retrogrades taking place, you're going to hear from them. The thing is, the way that card just came out, it's like they want to just put it all out on the table, tell you what's going on, tell you how they're feeling, but they're still having a hard time doing it. They're hesitating. See, and they're hoping that whenever they do come towards you to speak the truth, that you two can just try to move forward, but they're going to have to put in some work. See, that's why they're having a hard time right now. Gemini, I'm so sorry. I'm going to skip over signs. I'm all into the, the spread. But you guys could be dealing with another Gemini. But see, look at this. I told you, they're going to have to put in the work. I told you, if they want to have a new beginning with you, they know this. They know that you're done. You're not reaching out. You're not calling them. You're not texting them. You're not planning anything. You're over it. They're going to have to really seriously put in some effort if they want to have another chance with you, you know? Because look at that. 4 of Pentacles. They want things to improve, but y'all see how I have 2 men on this row? I told you guys when I saw those 2 queens, I saw 2 women. It could be 2 men. Now I have 2 men here. Could be 2 women. I promise you, if you have not moved on with someone else is getting ready to come in. And this person that I'm picking up on, they know it. So they're afraid that by the time they get their shit together, okay? By the time they get it together and they come back, it's too late. You know, because now you have somebody else here that you're happy with, you can move on with. And it hurts them. But that's their fault, because look at that. They want to have a peace of mind with you, but they need to free themselves from this other situation. They got to free themselves. And see, I told you, they're over here trying to decide, you know, figure out what to do, because they got to make a move. They have to make a move. Ooh, 11-11. You see what I'm saying? Like, a lot of you guys, this is a soulmate. It even could be a twin situation, but this has been going on for a long time. And even the way the 2 of Wands came out, just like I was telling you guys a couple of minutes ago, it's like you were the one always doing everything, you know, calls, text messages, you know, plans, asking questions. They know that they didn't put any work, you know, balance into this. They didn't put any work into the situation. And that's what's, you know, why they're hesitating, because they want to make it right. But see, even the way justice came out, somebody could be dealing with a Libra, but justice is being served. You know, they're going through it right now, because I told you guys in the very beginning, they're going through a tower moment. And it's like they want to come towards you and speak their truth, but right now they're still hesitating to do so. Yeah, because see, they got to make a decision, you know? They got to make a decision, and I'm seeing they're coming out of being frustrated because they do want to move forward with you. Somebody could be dealing with the Cancer. Let's see. Yeah, but see, this person feels like they're not going to be able to turn things around. But they do want this victory. Y'all, it's a family situation going on. Either you have a family with this person, or this person has a family with someone else, or it's their family member or members that have been blocking. It's family. Whoever I'm talking to right now. See, there was a third party, but this person definitely wants things to improve. Oh, there could have been a pregnancy. You see what I'm saying? Ooh, for some of you guys, I will say this. I'm laughing because, yeah, for some of you guys, the family situation was your person, you know, has a child or they're pregnant, whatever the case is with someone else. But I'm also picking up, now for others of you, this person wants to come back and they want to have a baby with you. Like, they're going to move quick, okay? They know that there's supposed to be a baby here. You guys supposed to get married, move forward. That's pregnancy. Y'all better be careful. But they're frustrated because it's like they're waiting. Yeah, somebody feels stuck.
That was your reading. Please leave me some comments. Let me know if this resonated for you guys. All right, guys. Talk to you soon.